Hello friends, this is Vinay from iOS Interview. Today we will discuss about data flow in SwiftUI. So friends, before moving further on the video, if you did not subscribe my channel till now, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon for getting such type important video related iOS interview. So friends, moving further on the video, innovation is the key, is the only way to win. This is quote by Steve Jobs. Topics we will cover on this video are introduction, key concepts of data flow in SwiftUI, property wrappers for data flow principles in SwiftUI, update iOS 17, migrating from the observable object protocol to the observable macro, and conclusion. Introduction. In SwiftUI, data flow is managed through a reactive and declarative approach where the state of your UI is a function of your data. SwiftUI provides several property wrappers to manage state and its changes, allowing for a smooth and efficient way to keep your UI in sync with your data. Key concept of data flow in SwiftUI. Source of truth. This is your app's main data, which owns and manages the state. In SwiftUI, the source of truth should be as close to the root of the view hierarchy as possible. Single source of truth. Each piece of data should have a single source of truth. This means that you don't duplicate data in multiple places, but rather pass it down the view hierarchy. Property wrappers. SwiftUI uses property wrappers to define different kinds of dependencies and behaviors. These include at the rate state, at the rate binding, observable object, at the rate environment object, and at the rate environment. Property wrappers for data flow. Number one, at the rate state. It's used for simple local state owned by a single view. SwiftUI manages the storage and is suitable for small pieces of data that only your view needs to know about. Struct my view inherit by view at the rate state provide state private var name equal to double quote var body some view text field enter name comma text dollar name semicolon. Number two, at the rate binding provides a way for a view to mutate state owned by a parent view. It's like a two-way binding between views. Struct content view semicolon view parenthesis at the rate state private var name equal to double quote var body semicolon some view my view name dollar name parenthesis close. Struct my view colon view at the rate binding var name colon string var body some view text field enter name comma text semicolon dollar name parenthesis close. Number three, observe object. This is used for more complex state that is shared across multiple views. Class user observable object at the rate published var name equal to alias struct my view at the rate observable object var user var body some view text user dot name. Number four, environment object. Similar to observed object, but it's for passing data deep down the view hierarchy without needing to pass it from all the initializer. Struct content view, semicolon view, var body, semicolon some view, my view, dot environment object, user. Struct my view, colon view, at the rate environment object var user colon user var body some view text user dot name. Number 5, environment used to access system wide information provided by the environment like local time zone or custom values. Struct my view colon view at the rate environment double slash dot local var local semicolon var local colon local var body colon some view text current local colon local dot identifier. Data flow principles in SwiftUI. Data flow down the view hierarchy through initializer and environment settings. Views update automatically when data changes. Views should be stateless as much as possible. Their appearance and behavior should depend solely on the data they are giving. Update iOS 17 migrating from the Observable Object protocol to the Observable macro. Starting with iOS 17, iPad OS 17, Mac OS 14, TV OS 17, and Watch OS 10, SwiftUI provides support for observation. A Swift-specific implementation of the observer design pattern adopting observation provides your app with the following benefits: tracking optionals and collection of objects which isn't possible when using observable object. Using existing data flow primitives like state and environment instead of object-based equivalents such as state object and environment object. Updating views based on changes to the observable properties that a view's body reads instead of any property changes that occur to an observable object, which can help improve your app's performance. To take advantages of these benefits in your app, you will discover how to replace existing source code that relies on observable object with code that leverages the observable macro. Note: at the rate state object is no longer needed under the new observation framework. The recommendation now is to use at the rate state and at the rate observable only, even for reference types. Conclusion. In summary, understanding these data flow concepts and property wrappers is crucial for building SwiftUI applications that are easy to read, maintain, and debug. By following these principles, you can create a predictable and efficient UI that responds to your underlying data model. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe for getting such type informative videos related iOS interview. So thank you.